Hi there, this is Jacob Nash Algebra Lessons, and this is Unit 5, and this is a lesson on discontinuity and holes. So, what is that? So, occasionally, when you are trying to solve by factoring a rational expression or equations, remember from Lesson 1 that sometimes things can cancel out if they're the same thing on the numerator and denominator. This means there is a hole or a discontinuity. So what does that mean? That just means that at that spot on the graph, it's not true for the expression. So it's wherever that hole is, you put a thing like that, just a hole. So let's see. What is an example? Let's look at one. So let's say we had y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. So once you factor, you would get x plus 5 times x minus 1. I don't know if you remember in the other video, I was about to use this example, and I realized it would create a hole, because it does, divided by x plus 5. Obviously, we can see that we would cancel out those. But that means that we have a hole. So the hole, what you do to find the hole, you have to find the x and the y coordinate to know where it is to put on the graph. So if we set... to find the x, we need to set the thing that we canceled out equal to 0. So we would get x equals 5. So that's the x coordinate. Now we need to find the y coordinate. And we find the y coordinate by plugging this into the thing that didn't cancel out. What didn't cancel out? This, the x minus 1. So we plug the x, the negative 5 into where x would be, minus 1, to get negative 6. So these are the coordinates of our hole, or discontinuity. So if that's the coordinates, then we can go on here and we would see that we would get negative 5, negative 6. Let's say that's right here. And then how would we draw the line? Well, in this case, I haven't said how to do that yet, really, how to graph. But we would see that we would have pretty much just x minus 1. So if we have just x minus 1, we would have this. That's back to old linear functions, and we could just say, we know that's our y-intercept, so we put that there. Slope is 1, so it's going to be something like this. Yeah, you could actually go through it. Just pretend like it goes through it. And that's where our hole is, so it doesn't apply right there. So that's what holes and discontinuities are. So hopefully this helped. And that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.